Hi everyone, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can allow people to share your post on their Instagram stories. So first of all guys, open up your Instagram app and then click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And after that, click on these three lines at the top right corner and click on settings from over here. After that, click on privacy. So first of all guys, make sure to check that your Instagram account is public, because if it is private, then no one would be able to share your post on their stories. So after that, you need to click on stories from over here and make sure to scroll down into your find sharing. And as you guys can see, the first option, which is allow sharing stories. So this button is basically what makes other people share your posts on their stories, as you can see. So you must turn it on. And that's pretty much it. So yeah guys, that is basically how you can allow people to share your Instagram posts in their stories. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That would be much appreciated. Thank you for watching. Until next time.